we'll figure out where he's going. But now he's back on Glendale, so we're right by the park. This street does get, whoa! Did you see that? Could you imagine being that guy just driving along and this crazy man's coming right at you? So at any rate, this is what's going on right now. We're in the Echo Park area. Echo Park is actually right there on the left side of the screen, wrong side of the road, high speeds. He's coming up on the 101. There's no on-ramp here. He's going to have to change up. Nope, it looks like we're just going right underneath the 101. There it is. But again, this is a lot of traffic this morning. This guy's driving extremely high speeds, and yes, you know what? I feel it, what you're saying at the desk, because we're inside. I'm saying,
and it did like a left turn, going fast, and I noticed that the front left was crashed, and then I noticed that the helicopter's chasing him. I think this fucking car's trying to get away from the cops.
I'm saying the same thing. It is just like cold. My blood runs cold. He runs these red lights. He's going against traffic. LAPD, the helicopter, they're keeping an eye on it. They're calling it out. But law enforcement, not behind it right now. And this car continues to drive extremely fast. And if anybody's kind of wondering, the LAPD helicopter is not so low that this guy will look out the window and be like, oh, the cops. They are at a distance and much higher, we're higher than they are, but off at a distance. And again, this car just continues to drive through these neighborhoods out this morning. Thank goodness hasn't really hit anybody, but so many chances, so many close calls.
I would go that direction, but I got a delivery on me, and also I'm gonna take my headphones off because fuck, there he goes. Fuck. Oh shit, damn, that's the car I was talking about. Good thing I took my headphones on.
Aimless is for sure. This street I know really well. This is it narrows, you start going uphill. This is a very steep hill. And these are the things. It's so tight, and then there's a hill, so that's kind of a blind curve right there. And look at him, just passing along, making his way up to the top there. There's going to be he's coming up on another signal. He's in that center lane. Looks like he's on the wrong side of the road because of all the traffic. And, jeez. This is just one close call after another, and this pursuit continuing now on 3rd Street. Looks like he's making his way back towards the downtown area. But again, no law enforcement behind him right now. This person really just running amok down there on the streets and onto the sidewalk. Oh, jeez. Yeah, and tunnel. Oh. Yeah, pedestrians and also other vehicles, and you just got to wonder. I mean, it looks like a older 5 Series BMW. We didn't hear the description as of yet, but you just got to wonder. He's hit a couple of curbs. I'm just hoping maybe one of the tires, maybe he damaged a rim, maybe he'll start losing some air. Something should happen mechanically just to bring this to a stop. And look at that, it's weaving it. Oh, look at this guy. Now that poor driver is like diverted off into oncoming traffic. Thank goodness there was nobody there. Looks like maybe he's looking to find a spot. I don't know where he went. Justin is better at this than I am. Here we go. He's
Police are on a chase with a black 4-door BMW sedan, and I'm pretty sure that the GTA suspect just went southbound on Lucas again, but not in a panic this time. Went all the way down to the end of the hill, but there was an officer on the opposite side of the street going the same direction. Still 2 police helicopters in the sky, but yeah, it didn't even have a notification on Citizen yet. All the way down this street, northbound on Lucas, and take a right on 6th Street, and they literally almost hit like 4 or 5 different cars that were just parked at this intersection. And the helicopter from the police helicopter was literally like at level with my apartment. Like they were over top of the fucking vehicle. And then yeah, shit is crazy. So that's all I know. Bye guys.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?